Hey, I just wanted to share an experience I had recently with Kelly Swanson as a speaker at an event I attended. The event was engaging speakers, and Kelly Swanson was the keynote speaker. And throughout the course of the day, she spoke 3 different times. And I want you to know that if you're looking for a keynote speaker, oh my gosh, she's unbelievable. She was awesome, she was funny, she was heartfelt, she was moving. She had us laughing, she had us with tears in our eyes. And she spoke 3 different times throughout the day, and she proved the power of stories and how you can use a story to get your point across, to use it in sales. I would highly recommend Kelly for any of your events where you want an engaging speaker, an awesome speaker, a heartfelt speaker, and most importantly, somebody that plays full out all day long. Thank you.